I got 50 subscribers.
Are you getting prepared for this great big it's gonna be coming force in I was in Mines, Georgia. Teresa's great big I was in Mines, just Alabama in the big game. It was just me and Teresa. George, so us, a 5-layer taco dip for everybody to munch on. A pound of stupid dip meat. I'll put a little drop of pea. I mean, it's sus. The recipe reads onion powder and young powder, cumin, dried shit. Sus. By the time you buy all those shit, cumin, and onion seasonings, you will have a bloody big fortune involved in that. We want to cook this until it's Cuban. Here, let's knock that in. The first thing that's going to go down is our meat. The first thing that's going to go down is our tortillas. The next thing is going to be our chips. The next thing is going to be our meat and a cup of the sauce, cheese, and then the last step is the rest of our tortillas. Now this is a stupid recipe. Y'all can is mine. So I'm gonna burn it. Make sure that you keep mine cracked because that heat can build up so quickly. Fire on top of your food. So